charter had indirect impact on the private body through human rights code. Ultimately, hospital is bound by the charter. According to the charter, everything is independent of government. Charter doesn't apply according to the charter, but at the end through private body, right? First step has been done. First step is done. Very good. Then second step, based on religion, 2A, freedom of religion, or section 15 of freedom of religion. You know what? Doctor's statement. I left my book. I wish that was book in front of me. I left my book in a home. You know what doctor said? Judges said, a doctors, a prosecutor, because prosecutor is working behalf of the hospital. Prosecutor, you know what? Why did you save her life? There was a serious infringement to that lady. Point to be noted, room 2 is always would be infringed in a real picture, in an examination point of view. In this case, according to the Supreme Court judge's wording, I wish I brought my book. There was no my book, exact wording. There was a serious infringement to this lady. Why did you do, doctors? You are here behalf of the doctor, prosecutor. Doctors, why did you do? There was a serious infringement. Her 2A is going to be infringed. Issue, rule, application, conclusion. Matter is over. Ma'am, I really do apologize. You have established issue. 2A is going to be infringed. Rule, cut, copy, paste, application, whatever, and conclusion. Room 2 is done. Jump into prosecutor room. Now, prosecutors, you all people are prosecutor. What is your sufficient important objective? Why did you save her life? What is yours? There was a serious infringement to that lady. Her religion does not allow other than Jewish blood. Why did you do? What is your sufficient important objective?
So we can say that he was a doctor and they are bound by the court to save everyone who is under them.
Very good. Sufficient important objective. Being a prosecutor, sufficient important objective to safety of the child is most important thing. That's why we are infringing your Charter of Rights. Being a prosecutor, sir, sufficient important objective to safety of the child is most important than everything. That's why we are limiting your Charter of Rights.
Section 7 will be infringed.
Oh my God! So don't worry about section 7. Stay on only. Yeah, because this is a structure. If you are not in my room, you will not gonna learn.
Okay.
Because if you are raising a different question, it means we are not in the same page.
No, I'm not.
Because section 7, we didn't even talk about section 7. Why you are thinking section 7?
Okay, sorry.
No, just stay on your prosecutor.
Okay.
Prosecutor has nothing to do with section 7. Just 100. Whenever you are.
So basically, you're saying that the Child Age Society case is an example of the Oakes test. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, always. Now, doctors, prosecutor gonna work behalf of doctor. Doctors. Crown, sufficient important objective. I agree. Safety of the child is most important thing. That's why you are limiting her Charter of Rights. Agree. Rational connection between the objective. The objective is again safety of the child is most important thing, which is strongly rationally connected. Minimum impairment. What could be a minimum impairment? What happened in a real picture? If you're gonna read that case. Doctor told, you know what, judge, in the minimum impairment before the operation, because she got accident. Child was serious injury. It was she was at the 11th hour. Very short time. Oh, it's a serious case. Maybe within 5 minutes, we have to surgery. Doctor said, because we are running out of time, only 10 or 15 minutes, we have to make a decision. We open all emergency lines. In a real case, they open all emergency lines. In the hospital, if you're gonna go to the hospital, a lot of time they're gonna announce, right? Ladies and gentlemen, can you please proceed room number 3? We need a Jewish blood. We need a Jew blood. Can you please proceed within 5 minutes? It's emergency. Come forward to the room number 3, please. Again, and they have some emergency lines. All their lines open. When at the 11th hour, nick of time, did you arrange? Did you arrange? Did you arrange? No. Start operation. Last option, if Jewish is not available, anyone can proceed. It means they are trying to minimum impairment. They are trying to infringe your right as little as possible because they are trying to arrange an alternate ways. But finally, they have to save. So it means law was saved under section 1. The point to be noted, in room number 2, there was according to the judges, unanimous wording of the judges, there was a room number 2, there was a serious infringement by the doctor. Why did you do? Why did you do? There was a serious infringement. But law is justified under section 1. The point to be noted, in an exam, in a real picture, always room number 2, 90%, 99, 100% would be, would be infringed.
Would be infringed.
Would be infringed. In a real picture, always. And in a real picture, if there was a real picture, because NCA trained you as a lawyer, they knew once you will become a lawyer, before you're gonna become a lawyer, you have to be trained. In some countries, rata, road, close your eyes, my best friend, no. Here in Canada, they're gonna give you, they are giving you training. Before the court, you knew each and everything. How we're gonna go right after becoming a lawyer? If you will become a constitutional lawyer, how you already knew. Even today in this class, you already knew, right? How it's gonna work out, right? Okay. Are you with me, right? Do we need a break?
No.
Guys, do we need a break?
No,
Yes,
sir. Perfectly fine.
Maybe 5 minutes.
Okay.
I guess it's better to take a break.
Yeah. Yeah, just 10 minutes break is very interesting class. According to my opinion, is very interesting. Even when you join my class, you don't even know about Charter of Rights. So with due to respect, even you don't know even A for apple, with due to respect, right? Now you knew. Okay, just imagine, just 2 minutes. I'm here. Okay, whole Canada is in front of me, whole Canada. I want to become a police officer. I knew they have to respect my Charter of Rights. Okay, now I'm here. You have a kirpan. Lot of Sikh people, they have a kirpan. There was a very strong case, Multani case in Montreal, Multani. Do you remember that? 2006 Multani case. 13 years old guy, at all time he had very sharp kirpan according to the religion, right? The point is we need to know what do you write, what kind of right we have. If I'm going to enter in, okay, for example, in Canada, I'm sitting here. Police stop me without any reason. Why did you stop me? Without any reason. You know what? My Charter of Rights is going to be infringed. What right? Tell me. Beautiful. Liberty.
Freedom
Police
of
is,
liberty.
okay. So if police stop me, I cannot move. He can fire me. He can do whatever he want. He can arrest me. If police gonna stop me, hey police officer, you are trying to stop me without any reason. Do you know? I have a Charter of Rights. You cannot stop me without any reason. My liberty is going to be infringed. Okay. Now, what's your name, Vishali? Your name is Vishali. I'm not gonna teach you. You know what? Because you are girl, or no. Okay, I'm gonna teach you, but I'm gonna charge $500 for my class. You are woman. So you are man, I'm gonna charge only $400.
Equal rights.
Equal rights. Oh, section Aamer, section 15. I'm gonna go to the court, right? I want to become a police officer. I'm a strong 6 feet height. Although my height is not 6 feet, very strong. Sando, strong body. Okay, yes, sir. Okay, police apply to become a police officer. To become a police officer, yes, sir. Become a police officer. How much you gonna give me? $100,000. I know because I'm a strong guy, man.